Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The single best idea on a huge day for technology. Thank you, Caroline Hyde, for coming in with Bloomberg Technology and providing wisdom on this open AI Microsoft thing. I don't pretend to get it, but it's really it's almost like a sea change day for AI. We saw that with a Microsoft lift, Apple going above $4 trillion as well in market cap, but really, really interesting. That sort of overwhelmed the news flow through the day. Robert Kaplan with us, the former president of the Dallas Fed. He's back at Goldman Sachs as vice chairman. Robert Kaplan, of course, on tomorrow's meeting.
I don't know they're going to be surprises. They're going to cut tomorrow. They're going to announce, I would guess, they're going to end the quantitative tightening. Those aren't surprises. I think the only possible surprise is I think Jay Powell, I believe, should leave the door open to cutting in December. The markets are pricing in that they're going to cut in December, but he's going to want to leave some optionality just in case. They're getting closer to neutral. Inflation is still running 75, 100 basis points above target. So it might be taken some as a little bit more independent, wanting optionality, although I don't think they should be surprised by that.
Robert Kaplan, the former president of the Dallas Fed. We had a brilliant extended discussion about what we're going to do with the people left behind by AI. It was truly one of our conversations of the year. Our conversation of the last 3 years with Ed Yardeni has been simple. When everyone was gloomy, Yardeni said corporations will adapt, they will adjust, and he looked for higher prices in shares of American companies. He nailed this bull market. Ed Yardeni of Yardeni Research, the bull market continues.
I think the bull market continues here. We've still got some good news ahead. Some of it's been discounted, of course, but the Fed is expected to lower the Fed funds rate 2 more times this year, so that would get us down to 3.5%. By the way, I don't think that the economy really needs it, so a lot of this stimulus is probably going to feed the bull market. And I'm looking for the S&P 500 to get to 7,000 by the end of the year or by the end of the week. I mean, things are moving pretty quickly here. And then 7,700 by the end of next year.
Ed Yardeni there of Yardeni Research, and I'm pleased to inform you that Max, the dog who sleeps on the couch behind Ed, never woke up throughout the entire interview. We hope you're awake, of course, on a podcast. It's out at Apple and Spotify and at YouTube Podcasts. It's single best idea.